Hello. Today we're going to be making grilled peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So first off, you're going to need some bread, 2 slices. And then first, on your first slice, you'll spread peanut butter. Let's open this up. Manhandling it. Alright. Scoop some up, spread it nice and smooth. Look at that. Smooth action. Get some more on there. So I'll go over our ingredient list today. You need bread, peanut butter, obviously. And you also need jelly and butter. I'll explain the butter later. So after you spread it, I'm gonna get your jelly next. Just like the peanut butter, you want to spread it nice and smooth. All right. Once it's done, go ahead and make your peanut butter and jelly sandwich. But we want it grilled, so we're not done yet. Get all the jelly off my knife. Now we want the butter. Take this butter and spread it on both sides. Oh, make sure it doesn't fall apart. So that's buttered up. Just go ahead, flip it. There we go. All right, next up's the grilling. So we'll cut to that. All right, now we're ready to grill our peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So first, you want to heat up your fryer or stovetop up to 300 degrees. And then we're gonna take our sandwich, get a spatula. Take it, make sure it's buttered, very important. Just slide it right on there. Now we let it cook. I'd say for like about 3 minutes or so, and then we'll flip it. Check it now. Ooh, that looks pretty good. So go ahead and flip it. Damn. A little bit of jelly got on the stovetop, but it's fine. It's part of the process. Alright, check out the jellies. Alright, check it out. A little more. Alright, check it out. Pretty good, pretty good. Alright. So now, let's go ahead, do the official taste test. Cut it down the middle. Maybe I should have used a different knife. Ooh, still hot. Oh, it burns, oh my gosh. All right. Pretty good, pretty good. Let's try for our milk over here. Wow. It's way better with the milk sauce to dip it in, just like grilled cheese and tomato paste. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you make your own grilled cheese. No, sorry. Grilled peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Thank you for watching.